Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add an outline or border around an image in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, import your image. Now go to Effects panel and search for Drop Shadow. You will find it under Video Effect. Now drag and drop into your image. Now go to Effect Control panel. Set the distance to 0. This keeps the shadow closer to image. Now increase the opacity to 100 and raise the softness slightly for smoother edge. Next, change the shadow color to white or any color you like. It instantly looks like a border. You can even change the color to match your style. White color for clean look or neon colors for fun effect. And that's it. You have just added a cool outline around your image in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.